Hello. What's your name? Okay, Carter, can you spell your name? Very good. How old are you, Carter? Very good. Next, Carter, let's talk about farm animals. Ready? Yes, ready. Okay. Can you tell me? What is it? It's a dog. What is the color of the dog? Yellow. Okay, next. What is that? It's a horse. What's the horse? Where's the horse? Okay. What is the color of the horse? Okay. Next. What is that? It's a pig. What is the color of the pig? Very good. Next. What is that? Horse. Lobster. What is the color of the lobster? Okay, high five. Next, I want you to look at this picture. Ready? So, what do you see, Carter? I see a horse. What does the horse say? Neigh. Okay, neigh. Next, what do you see? I see a cat. Very good. What does the cow say? Good job. Next, what do you say? It's a cat. So what does the cat say? Very good. Next, what do you see? What does the rooster say? Right, next, let's move on to letters. Okay? Yay, good job. Next letter. I is for ice cream. I is for insects. Okay. Next letter. K. K is for kite. Kite. K is for key. Alright, next letter. O. O is for onion. O is for orange. Very good. Letter. R. R is for red. R is for very good. Next letter. U. U is for unicorn. U is for umbrella. Next letter. W. W is for whoa. W is for